I just went to Amazon and ordered the covers for the volume knob and for the gear shifter knob. Comes in this really cool little pouch. So let me open this. And then you got these two pieces in there. They are nicely wrapped in a shipping protection material. And there, I believe it's like a foam, so it sticks better. You could put the foam around the relay, I assume. Let me try it out if it works without. So I have to open this first. Hold on, let me open it. Now I open them and they are actually really solid metal. When I saw them from other people, I always thought they're like plastic, but they're metal and they already have a foam in there. So I assume that's just a replacement for it. This one is a bit the bigger one. It would be too big for this one. Fits nicely here. Just push it down. And this one, it fits nicely here. Just push it down. Accidentally turned the screen off. Now it gives it a nice touch to the car. If you ever want to pull them off, it's slide off easy. So you don't do any long-term permanent thing. But it works nicely. You see the volume spinning. And here, let me shift gears. That works all perfect. I'll show you the link in the video description below. I think it's a really cool product. I hope you like it. You can buy it from that store as well. And as usual, I hope you like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.